There are 3 ways I deal with unhappy customers, or happy customers.
You also want to scale your store up to 50K a day like my store over here is doing right now.
The number 1 method is to make sure that you always have messages set up, preset messages that you can send them for the most common questions that are always asked. This will save you a lot of time and help you to answer as many customers as possible. Now, the number 2 method is to set up AI with those most common questions that will answer them automatically based on what they're asking. Now, this might be a bit more sophisticated, so you only want to do this later on, but from the beginning, you can have certain messages that are set up for the most common questions like, where's my product? Or when will I get my order? And the third way is to make sure you have a WhatsApp contact number. This will create trust and make people way more at ease about your brand and that they can trust you that they will receive their orders. Now, this counts for digital or physical products because even with digital, some people might see that you don't have a number and then they don't trust you. So therefore, they don't purchase your product. But these are the 3 things that I would get in place. So save this for later.